Stomach growling, but you're not even hungry? It's actually normal. It's called the migrating motor complex, a cleaning wave that sweeps your gut between meals. Yes, it happens when you're hungry, but also hours after a meal. It gets louder when your stomach's empty. Sound echoes better with no food to muffle it. If it comes with pain, bloating, or diarrhea, that's not normal. See a doc. Your body's not broken, just doing maintenance. Follow Health Snaps for daily tips your gut will thank you for.